Black Sea coast, Ordu, Turkey.
Join us as we delve into the heart of Ordu, where history, nature and culture converge to create an unforgettable experience. Prepare to be captivated by the city's vibrant energy, breathtaking scenery and warm hospitality. Greetings, fellow explorers, and welcome to Ordu Journey on the Trail of Discoveries. Today, we're embarking on an exciting adventure through the charming city of Ordu, nestled along the picturesque Black Sea coast. Join us as we delve into the heart of Ordu, where history, nature and culture converge to create an unforgettable experience. Prepare to be captivated by the city's vibrant energy, breathtaking scenery and warm hospitality. As we commence our stroll through Ordu's bustling city centre, the air is alive with the sounds of lively chatter and the tantalising aromas of street food. Shopkeepers proudly display their wares in colourful storefronts, while locals engage in animated conversations, creating a vibrant atmosphere that reflects the city's rich cultural heritage. Our journey takes us past iconic landmarks that whisper tales of Ordu's glorious past. We pause to admire the grandeur of the Ordu Clock Tower, its majestic The lively atmosphere of Ordu's seaside district beckons us to immerse ourselves in the local culture. We savour delicious regional delicacies at quaint cafes, their inviting aromas wafting through the air. We mingle with friendly locals, their warm smiles and welcoming gestures epitomising the city's renowned hospitality.
makes me seem so fragile in our shells. And it's not so binary how we journey to ourselves. So how can I help watching the clouds pass through? No clue of the time, no reason to be subdued. We all know the skies for the first time. They draw the lines.
Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey through Ordu. We invite you to subscribe to our channel Ordu Journey on the Trail of Discoveries as we continue to explore the wonders of our world, one step at a time. Together, let's embark on unforgettable adventures and uncover the hidden treasures that await around the globe.
Hold my breath before I die. Like jellyfish beneath the surface, the sparks that make us thrive. And I see the never-ending shoreline, but now I'm not alone. It's funny how sometimes we need to lose our way to find our home. So how can I help watching the clouds pass through? No clue of the time, no reason to be subdued. We all know the skies for the first time. They draw the lines, just read in between. I'm tracing you.